Communicative dynamism, CD, and functional sentence perspective, FSP. The information contained in theme and rhyme are of two different sorts. The rhyme containing new information has a higher informativity level than the theme, which contains dull news. This variation in the importance of different parts of the utterance conveying information is called comunicative dynamism. Communicative dynamism ranges from very low, from medium to very strong stress. Fairbanks gives the following definition of CD, communicative dynamism. By degree of communicative dynamism carried by a linguistic element, I mean the extent to which the element contributes towards the development of the communication. It's common to process information in a message to increase from low communicative dynamism, theme, to high communicative dynamism, rhyme, in accordance with the linear progression of the sentence. This principle is called end focus because it focuses the ear reader's attention on the final part of the utterance. The process of arranging the elements of the sentence in order to convey information in the most efficient way was termed by Matthesius' functional sentence perspective. Word order is therefore influenced by two processes. The first is regulated by the syntactical rules of the language, which the writer-speaker must obey in order to produce a coherent, grammatically correct statement in that language. The second, which also affects the ordering of words, depends on how the writer-speaker wishes to communicate their message. Matthesius explained, the information-bearing structure of the sentence shall be considered in opposition to its formal structure, whereas the formal structure concerns the way in which a sentence is composed of grammatical elements. The information-bearing structure concerns the way in which a sentence is integrated into the factual situation during which it was produced. The concept can be exemplified in the following example. The king told the story. The story was told by the king. Although the event is in the fact the same, information contained in the message is conveyed differently. In the first sentence, the story is what is new, and has high communicative dynamism. In fact, we would ask the question, what did the king tell? Receive the answer of the story. In the second sentence, the fact that the king had told the story is news. And this is not the element that has high communicative dynamism. Here we will ask the question, who told the story? Getting reliably the king. The relationship between the grammar structure and the information structure is shown here below. Grammar, informatic structuring. Grammar structure, information being structure, communicative dynamism level. The king subject theme low. Told the story, predicate rhyme high. Grammar structure, information bearing structure, communicative dynamism level. The story subject theme low. Was told by the king, predicate rhyme high. An original version, the king told the story. The story is the new element and thus is given and focused by the author. This is clear if the complete context is given. And then the king told the story of how every single thing on his island had been blown away by a tempest. It can be noted in the complete version that the theme is short, the king, but the rhyme is long, told the story, the tempest. This is common in information-bearing structure. If an element is new to the reader, more information is needed. The reader already knows what the king given information is, and so no further explanation is necessary. It is logical then for the theme to be shorter than the rhyme, and this is in the most frequent arrangement to be found.